In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit WooCommerce shop page in Elementor. If you want your product catalog to match your brand and feel cohesive with the rest of your site, this walkthrough will help you make clean, confident changes without getting lost. Start by opening your WooCommerce website. Make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin so you can access editing options as you browse. It's easiest to open the front end in a new tab so you can see your store exactly as your customers do while you work. Next, go to your shop page. This is the main product catalog, often found in your navigation or at the Yahoo shop address. Take a moment to scan how it currently looks. The product grid, images, titles, prices, and any filters or sidebars. Knowing what's there helps you decide what to refine. Now click Edit with Elementor. You'll find this button in the top WordPress admin bar when you're viewing the shop page. Elementor will open with a live preview on the right and a panel of widgets on the left. You'll see sections, columns, and elements that make up your layout. If the button isn't visible, ensure Elementor is active and your theme supports editing this page. From here, feel free to add elements, change text, add images, and adjust colors to customize your shop so it fits your brand. Click any text to rewrite it with clear, shopper-friendly language. Keep headings concise and descriptive, and use short supporting text to guide visitors. To add elements, drag widgets from the left panel into your layout. Think headings, images, icons, or dividers to organize content around your product grid. When adding images, choose consistent dimensions and high-quality visuals that represent your products accurately. Set image sizes in the widget settings to keep everything looking tidy. For colors, align with your brand palette. Use a strong accent for buttons and links, and maintain readable contrast for text. You can set consistent typography in the panel to keep fonts uniform across sections. Subtle spacing, like even padding and margins, creates a polished look, helps the eye flow, and keeps your shop easy to scan. If your design includes a sidebar or promotional banner, make sure it complements rather than competes with your products. Keep calls to action clear and visible. Finally, check your layout on mobile and tablet using Elementor's device preview. Adjust font sizes, column stacking, and spacing so your shop looks great and works smoothly on smaller screens. And that's it. Open your WooCommerce website, head to the shop page, click Edit with Elementor, and customize the elements, text, images, and colors until your store truly reflects your brand.